Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to update your WhatsApp number in Google My Business listing profile. Many times students ask me, sir, how to add WhatsApp phone number in Google My Business listing. So I will tell you how to do this particular thing. You just need to search for My Business or your business name using the same Gmail ID from which you have created your Google My Business listing. If you don't know how to create a Google My Business listing or how to claim a Google My Business listing that is already existing on the internet, then you can check out our Google My Business playlist by visiting our YouTube channel. So I have searched for my business name and now I will click on edit profile, and here we need to scroll down, and here there is an option of chat. You just need to click on this, and here you need to select the WhatsApp, and then you just need to enter your WhatsApp click to chat URL. Right now, what is WhatsApp click to chat URL? Let me tell you, there is a proper format. Right, you just need to enter wa.me slash your mobile number, whatever the mobile number is, like 7413. Okay, and then you just need to click on save and your WhatsApp number would be automatically updated. Right, so as you can see, I have updated my WhatsApp chat number in Google My Business listing profile. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.